Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add the second Gmail account to your smartphone. So let's get started. So if you want to add second account, you can simply open the Gmail application on the phone, then tap on the icon of the account right here in the top right corner, then tap on add another account, select the Google and wait. Confirm that it's you, and now enter the email address you want to add. Then tap on next, enter the password and confirm. And tap next, of course. Agree. Right here I have some required pools like a recovery phone and stuff like that. I'm just gonna enter the recovery email. Skip this, and after the required pools, the account should be added. Here we have it, and we can use it right now. We can switch to it if we want to. As you can see, we can switch to our account. Okay, and that's how you add second account to your smartphone. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.